What's up, guys? So, let me explain. Like, I could have gone through and recorded all this. I told you guys this was a piece of cake and lied because I got the new one in. But I don't like to do that. And, there's some people that do that make things seem so easy, but they're not. Especially for something that hasn't been replaced in over 20 some years. And this is what happens. So, this is the Pitman arm that goes on, and this is your steering gearbox. So this is the one that was on there, over 20 plus years old, and it's time to go. And this, if you can see, but it's horrible, and it's still seized on. I had to smack it with a huge sledgehammer that I borrowed from my buddy that I work with for body shop. Thank goodness he had that, so I was able to finally smack this end off because that didn't want to come off for nothing either. So I was able to get that side off, and now I'm trying to heat this up with one of my other neighbor's torch guns. Just trying to keep heating and then hammering. It is a pain. This is what, day 2 of trying to get this freaking thing, and it's a pain. And yes, I have kids, so I don't get to work on it the whole time, 24/7. I have to take care of the babies and my kids and all that. So, I'm doing my best here. I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. The new one is in, so I'll show you guys that right now. It is so nice. So there's the new one. Like I said, I just had that pulled back for now, but I do have to get a new. This is called the steering column. This piece right here that goes from here. I don't know if you can see. There we go. So this piece where this bolt is all the way up to there. And you disconnect this bolt here, and then that slides off. And then you gotta disconnect that bolt and then pull it off, and then that's the steering column part. And that you can replace. And as you can see, this has been torn since I got the car. I don't know how long it's been torn for, but it is completely torn. It still works, but it's just completely torn, and I need to get a new one. I just don't have the money right now to be doing that. Replacing everything. So I just need to do what I can for now, piece by piece. The main things, which was this. This was a huge main thing. And then I might have to get a new Pitman arm, because this is just not going. I think AutoZone has one. The thing is, this is the old one, and the suspensioning was great. This is part of the suspensioning. So it's going to be frustrating if I get the new one, and then all I hear is, annoying new clanks that I didn't have before, or annoying not so comfortable ride on the driver's side. You know what I mean? Because this is on the driver's side. So it's just a thing that could happen. That's a chance you're taking when you buy a new one. So yeah. And this is no joke. This is real life. Like, I don't know how many times I've cleaned my hands. So yeah, I'm a freaking mess. As you can see, I'm completely covered. Shirt's completely covered. Everything's covered. My face is completely smeared up. Like, that's just part of work, and I love it. Now, of course, everybody cusses when they work on vehicles. But just as you can see from example, I have been killing myself with this thing by myself, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. You just gotta keep at it. So that's my lesson for you guys, is just keep going. And eventually you will get it. So, we might have to spend more money? Yeah, probably. And honestly, should I just reuse that? Probably not. because if it's already seized up on this thing and it just won't give no matter what, that means the insides of all those teeth, I guarantee you, are going to be all messed up. And the same thing is going to happen with the new steering box. It's going to get seized on there. So it's almost like, well, I guess I should just go get a new one for like, I think it's like $40. The only thing is, I don't know if I have to wait for the part. I got so lucky, this was in stock. And it was an exact fit to the El Camino, which is amazing. I'm telling you right now, I did not expect it. So I can't believe it, but I really can't. But anyways, there's an update for you guys. And then I will update you on another video for you guys, so you know when it's completely done. And if I had to get it when, well, I'm not if, but I am getting a new Bitman arm. So I miss driving it, and so yeah. So I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. And until next time, I'll update you guys.